I'm equals pro. That's Sir BDB. And this is the 1.8T. Nice. It's got the turbo, 2003. What you know about me? Look at the lights. Check it out.
Oh, I thought it was
beautiful.
Right, 1.8.
The 1.8T from 2003. It writes itself. Look at that.
And it's a beauty.
Yeah, it's a beauty. The Jetta. I know my dad had one of these or something like it. No, he had the Passat, but still, this is really nice. Look at that. Ooh wee. Dual exhaust out the back. Oh yeah, this thing is fast. And there is the poop box. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Majestic in the snow. Oh, oh.
Bro.
Look at that. That's amazing.
Look, this is her first like snow ever, bro. She's never experienced snow like this before. She's just woken up to it.
He's got his to-go cup. It's a Slurpee.
It's turning to water as soon as it touches my body. That's
yeah.
how you know it's not cold enough.
It's not cold enough. It's like 37, yeah.
Oh, look.
Oh, where'd the Elsa come from? What's up, girl?
Barnduke.
Hey.
Barnduke. She's made for this temperature.
Look, Elsa. Say hi. Say hi, Elsa. Oh, Elsa, look at you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yo, peep the leather Mini Cooper seats. These things are immaculate.
Yo, peep that 2003
fuel pump. Oh, look at the little fuely flimmy. Look at that thing. Look at the buoy.
$35.99.
I got this barn find BMW right here. What is this? A
1960.
Okay, I'm good.
This is a 1976 BMW
76
750i series.
Oh, wow. The tires are in the ground.
It hasn't been driven in the past 12 and a half years.
Oh, man. That looks so cool. Look at I like that. Look at that.
And the engine has 45K on it.
Can you see inside? Oh, yeah, you can. It's just moldy. Oh, no, it opens? Oh, look at the mold.
Yeah, but it's not as bad as you would think.
Wow. Actually, that dash is really nice.
Check it out. It's not as bad as you'd think.
Oh, it smells bad. Yo, but not me.
Here, I'll take it.
Look at that, dude. That's like...
It's got the drop top.
Oh, it does. Actually, that dash looks really nice. It looks modern.
It looks like it's on.
Dude, wow. Automatic? Yep. Automatic. That's nice.
And it only has 45K on the...
We gotta rebuild this, man. Wow. 2007, the last time it was
DQ'd.
Yeah, last time it was touched, 2007.
So more than 12 years. 12 years because it used to be in the woods.
Oh, okay. That's good.
We moved it closer.
Oh yeah, there's the new room.
This actually pops up too every time you turn it on.
Oh, every time? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I like those old school mechanical
this right here,
antennas.
Look, you got the long view. You literally have like this long ass view.
Bro, old cars have such better visibility, I noticed.
For real.
Like you go in a new Camaro, it's so messed up. Oh, hey Elsa.
Still works. It's still locked.
Nice. Yeah, 2007, man. Wow. This thing is a barn find waiting to get restored. Those tires nice in the ground.
I've had
man.
multiple people offer me money for this.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah,
wait,
so it'd be like brand new.
Where are the mirrors? I just noticed. Whoa, the mirrors.
Deleted.
The delete.
Oh, right
what? Oh, it had a fender mirrors. That's really cool.
Well, it's that old.
Yeah.
They weren't that high.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, the 70s cars were different for sure.
1976.
You like the car, Elsa, huh?
This is where I'd put my car. Once I clear everything away. And look.
Look at that.
It's stuck.
Look at that.
It's stuck. Look.
No, I know how to. Oh, we can fix that easy. Look at that jack stand. That's quality.
Look.
Yeah.
Still goes up and everything still works.
That's high quality, dude.
Old as fuck.
That's high quality.
But yeah, bro.
Wow.
So this right here just needs to get moved. We can even literally take this shit and just push it against the wall.
Okay.
and then the car could fit in here, bro. And think about it. Look how much clearance you have.
Dude, we could work on cars so easily. It's like warm in here too.
Yeah, no,
it's like not even cold.
The cats always hang out in here.
I
There's
feel
two kitties cats that we could always.
Oh, they're in here. Oh, nice.
Yeah, the two cats. They're in here.
Wow.
Bro, straight up, look, this truck, a big truck. Maybe not here, but
yeah,
I think it goes up more. Oh, it does go up more. Yeah.
Either way, like it's warm already, and there's windows, and there's so much potential, and you have the jack. And I have tools, like, dude, we could do so much in here.
And look, we can fucking detail it.
Yeah. Oh, what, the shop vac?
Yeah.
I didn't even see that. Oh, George H.W.
Well, I keep Dude, we could definitely do some jackass shit. Alright, this is Chopping Tips 101. Whenever
Sir
you want to
BDB.
chop a piece of wood like this, aim straight for the splits right here. When you see it, a piece of wood, that's how you know it's going to crack easily. As soon as you hit that right there. So you line it up with your axe.
Woo!
Easy money.
Wow. You got an audience, too.
Got the dog audience. Alright, 3, 2.
Wow.
Bam.
Don't mess with him. He's strong. Don't mess with him. That's crazy. I could not do that.
Right there.
Should I try one?
Yeah, try it.
I'll try one.
My first piece of wood ever. Also, aim because you haven't done this before.
Yeah.
What a lot of amateurs do, and you can look it up on YouTube too. When they aim like this, they end up missing completely.
Oh, and then they hit themselves.
So what you want to do, if anything, is aim for this area.
Go higher. Okay.
Because
Gotcha.
if anything, you're gonna end up lower.
Okay.
So
Let's do it. All right. I'm Equals Pro. This is chopping wood.
Oh my gosh. This equals pro.
Part 2.
They don't need to know that.
Yeah. This
Part 1.
This is part 1. I did not try this before. It's first time ever. Let's go. Oh. Wow.
You might as well do it again because it's pretty
Holy shit,
pretty
it's
weak.
beaten up. Yeah, it's beaten up.
Yeah, I don't know how you ended up that way, but
Oh yeah, what the?
you want to go that way.
I'm so bad. I'm good at it. Oh.
Should I go onto TikTok and just do this all day?
Oh my god.
Here you go.
I want to see you do it again. All right, we're back. We had more water to drink, so we're feeling good. This is a RV right here, an XL. What? Are you need help with that?
Yeah, no, just step over it.
All right. Oh.
Step on these rims.
Yeah.
These are my rims. Oh shit.
Oh.
They're my rims. But
Okay.
still.
And then hold the door. Oh man, that's slippery. Oh, they're moving.
Alright. So there might be a raccoon that will attack us, but
Oh.
that I think we should be good, bro.
All right, let's check it out. Oh, because there's like plastic. Yeah, it's plastic.
Alright.
Oh.
This has not had any people since 2013.
Oh, that's not as bad as I thought. Wow. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's just dirt.
It's just
Oh, it's a mouse.
It's just squirrels that have come up here and fucked shit up. But look, it's got a bathroom, it's got a shower.
Yo, look at the
That's not that bad.
look at the Jordans.
Yo!
Yo, those are fake J's. What year is this? Oh, I can just barely stand up in here.
I live in this for sure.
Oh, for sure, but let's clean it out.
Dude, literally, walk past there and tell me we can't rip up all this in one day. Look, go back there and look.
Oh, you're right.
It has a PS3 or PS2, I think, somewhere.
What? Is this like a 70s or 80s?
It's a 80s.
84, 85,
84, I think.
84. I
But
can
look,
see it.
The squirrels didn't fuck up that much. Like,
Bro, I
literally.
have an idea. Let's sand all the shit. Let's like redo everything, the floors and let's sand it, and then like just make it nice and like new,
Just
like make it look
repaint
nice.
it.
Yeah,
Dude,
spray paint it.
This could be a project. Literally.
This is a project. Oh, look at that pillow.
If we weren't so far out in Esticator, bro, you could live in this.
I know, and they got the built-in fan. Look
We
at
could
that.
literally just take like a week to ourselves and just rip this up.
Look, it looks like brand new soap right here. Why is it like that?
Peachy.
Look at that.
Peachy.
Albertsons? Yo, look at that.
Peachy.
What? There's some Albertsons soap. Albertsons isn't even around anymore. Check out the year on that, 2008.
Damn, that's older than
2008.
BMW.
Yeah, that's old. Yeah, it's just been squirrels and
So
rats.
you feeling it, bro? We should fix this shit.
Yeah, look, there's a
I
couch.
Sleep in here.
Yeah, as long as
feel like
if there's a heater, I'll do it.
we should come.
Look, they got a thermometer upside down right here.
Bro, we should just come and clean this. Like, even if we still are.
What, tomorrow?
Bro, close this door.
Look at the fire extinguisher. It's like still brand new.
You gotta close the door so animals. Don't
Yeah,
get
for
in
sure.
there. But yeah, bro, it's so nice. Like, we need
Wow.
to set that up. Ford diesel truck,
What do we have here?
1994.
1994
Diesel truck.
Ford diesel. Oh, it's a diesel. Wow. Oh, those tires are beautiful. Wild country.
Yeah, but look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that paint. Imagine non-green everywhere.
Oh, I can see the shine.
Blue, but look,
Dude.
with the light blue, bro, it fucking shines.
Let's restore this. Blue interior?
Look,
Look at the blue interior, bro.
this cabin has been pristinely kept. This truck is. Look at that. That's a fucking vent in your house.
That's nice.
This shit is hella advanced.
That's immaculate. Yo, check this out. Peach, don't move. Don't move a muscle.
Peachy?
Look at that on camera. It looks so cool.
Oh, it does.
That's nice. Ford logo.
Look at
It's black and blue.
Look at the plug-in.
What? For what?
The turbocharger.
What do you
plug it
mean?
in somewhere.
What? Shut the fuck. For real, what is that for? That's
It's to jump
hilarious.
it.
Bro, what is that? How much horsepower does that have? How much horsepower? Hey, bro. Hey, can you tell us, hey, I know you're eating hay, but how much horsepower do you have? Please don't eat my camera.
Just touch him. He's a nice boy.
You nice? I've never been around a
Come
horse.
here, boy. Really?
No, never in my life.
Come here.
I don't think I've ever seen a horse this close.
Really?
Yeah, dude. I'm a
Nice.
city guy. I don't
Fuck.
like, dude. Look at that. I'm a city
If I
folk.
didn't have my dog, I'd be in there right now.
Look at that. That thing is mad. Oh, who lives up here? People live up there?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
First catch up.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. We may have drank too much water yesterday.